Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm doing a little showcase on the thank you gift that Oliver and I made for everybody who shopped with me in July. I wanted to do a tea bag gift because I came across these gorgeous tea bags which I've had before, but usually it's hard to find them in bulk, and I managed to get some. So they're English tea shop, and so I wanted to do that, which meant I wanted to use the cup of tea stamp set. Oh, he positioned it. He was very clever in how he positioned all these. I'll explain that in a minute. That's sweet, and yeah, do you know what? I sat and I tied dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of little bows. Yes, me, I did that. I tied dozens of them. Can't believe it, but fingers are in knots. I still can't tie a decent bow now. But yeah, so we decided we wanted to do that, but wanted to also show off these bags. Now, I'm not going to make that one stand. They do stand up. I have used them in a project before, but I wanted to gift one to everybody so that they could see the size of them before they went and bought one, which is what I do. I like to gift everybody who shops with me something, you know, things that they may not have noticed before. And so they do stand up. You could probably put a battery operated tea light in there and make it a little lumiere or lumiere. I don't know how you say it. Luminare. I'm trying to say two words at the same time. But obviously for postage purposes we kept them flat. So Oliver very carefully and cleverly, and you can't, let me get a different colour tea bag. And what he did was he carefully positioned one tea bag in the front bit, and then another one in the back, so that you could see two different colours peeping through. And it was able to be posted flat like that. And not get crushed, which obviously if I'd tried to post it like that it would have done. So yeah, that's what we did. And then the gift, so this was a gift, but then I always send little product gifts. So please don't forget to use the hostess code because you get gorgeous goodies. And as I said before, I like to always shop for things that I think people may not have noticed or may not want to spend their own money on trying. So I got the Snowfall Accents puff paint, which is really clever stuff, and I've lost my bottle. Oh, here it is. Here's my bottle. Oh no, that's, hang on. There we go. Snowfall Accents puff paint. And oh, I've blobbed a bit. So I'm guessing. Well, I was going to say you could write your name, but probably not. And yeah, but it's really clever. I wonder what that's going to look like with bubbles. Ooh, look. You do snowfall. That's probably why it's called that. And it dries puffed up. But it's one of those things you're like, shall I invest my money to try something? Well, you don't have to, because I gave it to you for free. And then, of course, we can never go wrong with embellishments. So this is my packet, and I actually haven't opened these yet. So let's open them. So we've got adhesive back, sequins and gems. So these are the gems. So they are, I'm going to say they're a platinum colour because they're not super silver, but they're that little bit darker. And then we've got these sort of green and pink tinted sequins, but they are super glittery. I don't know how my autofocus is. Is it good enough to get that close? Probably not. Oh no, it's not bad. But yeah, so they're really lovely. So everybody got a pack of those, one of those, and that, and then of course my little newsletter that Oliver and I write. So that's what we sent out. We've already worked on our August goodies. Those are already in the making. Actually, they're mostly already put together. So yeah, very excited. And yeah, I always send out 2 little goodies for everybody who shops with me. So like I say, don't forget to use the hostess code. And then either a handmade gift or a handmade card, or something slightly different, which is the something slightly different that's coming for people who shop with me in August. So if you want to get hold of that, and I'm not telling you what the gifts are because, you know, that's the surprise, come shopping. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.